key to roasting a chicken with moist meat and crispy golden skin is a hot oven. A 1.5 kilo free-range chicken will feed 4 people. Place the bird into a roasting tin that leaves just a bit of space around the sides. Too big a tin and all the cooking juices you want for gravy will simply evaporate and burn. Spread the breast with a little softened butter and season with salt and pepper. At this stage, you can also squeeze over a little lemon juice and tuck the lemon pieces inside the chicken with some sprigs of herbs such as thyme or rosemary. Put the chicken in an oven heated to 200 degrees C. After 30 minutes, baste your chicken by spooning the roasting juices over the breast and return it to the oven for 30 minutes. After 1 hour in total, it should be cooked. You can push the skewer into the thickest part of the thigh and the juices should run clear. If they're pink, pop the chicken back in the oven for a further 10 minutes. Or if you have a meat probe, the temperature should read between 65 and 70 degrees C. When you're happy it's cooked, cover it loosely with a tent of foil and leave it to rest for 20 minutes whilst you make your gravy. This allows the juices, which have risen to the surface of the chicken, to seep back down to keep the flesh moist and tasty.